Adventure motorcycles are built for exploring rough terrains, long-distance touring, and off-road expeditions. With advanced technology, powerful engines, and rugged builds, adventure bikes can be costly. Here are the 7 most expensive adventure motorcycles on the market in 2024. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure R is a top-tier adventure motorcycle with one of the highest price tags among all KTM bikes today. The bike's high price of $21,000 is due to its uncompromising off-road capabilities and advanced technology. It features premium WP suspension components with long travel, providing exceptional control and comfort on rough terrains. At the heart of the Super Adventure R lies a ferocious 1301cc V-twin engine, pumping out an impressive 160 horsepower. This raw power, combined with 103 pound-feet of torque, ensures that every twist of the throttle delivers thrilling acceleration, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling challenging off-road terrain. The Ducati Desert X Rally is Ducati's bold foray into serious off-road adventures, designed to dominate rugged terrain while maintaining the brand's signature performance and style. The Ducati Desert X Rally comes with a starting price of around $23,395, making it a top contender for adventure riders who seek a versatile, high-performance bike capable of handling both wild trails and smooth highways. Inspired by Dakar rally bikes, it blends extreme durability with cutting-edge technology, offering a thrilling ride both on and off the beaten path. It boasts a powerful 937cc L-twin engine, generating 110 horsepower and 68 pound-feet of torque, providing ample power for both highway cruising and rugged trails. The 2024 Triumph Tiger 1200 Rally Explorer is a top-tier adventure motorcycle designed for riders seeking both performance and versatility. With a price tag of around $24,895, it represents a significant investment for those looking to explore diverse landscapes with confidence and style. It is powered by a robust 1160cc triple-cylinder engine, known for its strong torque and smooth power delivery, offering exceptional performance on and off the road. In addition, the Tiger 1200 Rally Explorer features specialized off-road riding modes, longer suspension travel, and advanced electronics such as cornering ABS and traction control. With its upgraded performance and cutting-edge technology, the 2024 BMW R 1300 GS Adventure takes adventure riding to the next level. Featuring a newly enhanced 1300cc Boxer twin engine, this beast delivers 145 horsepower and 110 pound-feet of torque, offering powerful acceleration both on highways and rugged off-road trails. Priced at approximately $26,345, it represents a significant investment for those looking to embark on epic journeys. Equipped with BMW's Dynamic Suspension Adjustment and Ride Modes Pro, the bike adapts to any terrain with ease, ensuring superior control and comfort. The 2024 Harley-Davidson CVO Pan America is a top-tier adventure touring bike from Harley's CVO lineup. The starting price for this model is $28,399, which makes it one of the most expensive adventurers. Known for combining Harley's classic design with off-road capabilities, the CVO Pan America offers a blend of power, technology, and rugged versatility. Powered by the Milwaukee 8 117 V-twin engine, it delivers strong performance on diverse terrains. Advanced features include adaptive ride height, cornering ABS, and semi-active suspension, offering both comfort and control for long journeys. Introducing the MV Agusta LXP Orioli, an exclusive adventure motorcycle that pays homage to the legendary Eddie Orioli, a Dakar rally champion. This bike is not just a nod to history, but a statement of luxury and performance, with a starting price of approximately $29,000, making it a premium offering in the adventure segment. At the heart of the LXP Orioli is a robust 931cc 3-cylinder engine that produces 124 horsepower and 75 pound-feet of torque, ensuring thrilling performance both on and off-road. It has a 7-inch full HD dashboard with Bluetooth connectivity for navigation. The bike boasts advanced electronics, including multiple riding modes, traction control, cornering ABS, and off-road suspension for conquering any terrain with ease. The Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally is a fancy adventure bike. That's part of the Ducati's Multistrada lineup. It costs $30,595, which is quite a lot, but it's worth it. To start off, it has a very capable engine that can go really fast. At its heart is the V4 Gran Turismo engine, a masterpiece that generates a massive 170 horsepower. The bike is equipped with Ducati's Skyhook suspension system, which offers adjustable ride comfort and stability, as well as adaptive cruise control and blind spot detection, enhancing safety on long journeys. The advanced electronic suite includes multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, traction control, and a full-color TFT display with integrated navigation. These high-end adventure motorcycles represent the pinnacle of performance, technology, and luxury in the segment. While their high prices may be out of reach for some, they offer unparalleled experiences for those who can afford them.